Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning. It's really windy outside. However, it's not raining and the wind is not to go away for the rest of this week. So unfortunately for me, it is time to cut the grass. Now I'm hoping, please, hoping that this will be the last cut of the season and that I can just forget about it. So we did get asked tail end of last year for a sort of video about our different various grass machinery. So if you're not into grass machinery, do a little subscribe, click off now, go watch one of our other videos. If you are, stick around, I'm going to show you what we use in order to keep the grass nice and prim and proper. So come with me. First things first, we need the appropriate PPE, big heavy winter jacket, Driftland branded hat, get this in the shop now, and a pair of gloves. Let's go and meet our first lawnmower, the Radon. So this is our little Radon, little Husqvarna, twin blade, floating deck. I'm not actually sure what size of blades it is that it runs. Got a little Briggs & Stratton. What is this, like 17 brake, something like that? Maybe not quite as much as that. Quite sure. So yeah, this is absolutely 100% not designed to do what we use it for. It doesn't like D-lams. The blades get tangled up in each other, so the D-lam sort of wraps around the first blade, goes tight, catches the second blade, and then blammo, thing cuts out. And as you can imagine, it's nice and easy to lift up trackside and get underneath to untangle it. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but the chances are it's absolutely going to happen. So I'm going to get warmed up, get all my winter gear on, and then go and brave this wind whilst getting the grass cut. So let's go. So I know it's really windy out here, so you might not be able to hear very well. However, as I suggested earlier, we have just ran over a massive piece of D-lam, and now I'm going to have to lift this thing up and see what is underneath and what has jammed us out. There's no real easy way to do this. This also looks like dog shit. Thanks whoever done the dog shit around it. Thank you very much. Yeah, there it is. Big stinking piece of D-lam. This is actually not too bad because it's such a big piece. It's going to be easy to untangle. You can imagine how quickly that gets boring. Let's get back on it. This thing also does wheelies if you lean back and ping the clutch. Whoa! Ah, windstorm! another jam. Let's see what we've got this time. Oh, you know what it is this time? It was Stuart's fan belt. When his water pump exploded, took out his fan belt. And I'll get that tangled up in the next lawnmower. Idiot. So that's the job with the Radon done. It's now time to go and get the VELOCIMOWER. The VELOCIMOWER is a lawnmower like no other. Let's go get it. So just before I go and get the VELOCIMOWER, I thought I'd let you have a little look at Lou's new storage display cabinet. We've got all our hats in here. Loads of new beanies. Carbon fibre sunglasses. So if you see one in here that you like, these are all on our shop. Link is in the description. Give it a blast. We also have our new stickers. So we've got fucked as fuck, drift as fuck, smart as fuck, and broke as fuck. All pretty fitting for drifters. So you fancy any of them, any of our bigger stickers, regular Driftland stickers, keyrings and Alfie. It's all on our shop just now, so let's go and get the VELOCIMOWER. So this is the VELOCIMOWER. It's a bit of an animal of a machine. It's 4-wheel drive, 2 huge casters at the front. It's a 52 or a 56-inch deck. It's got 3 cutting blades under here, one in the middle, 2 on each side. It is a Kawasaki 17 brake engine, hydrostatic steer. So these are my controls. So obviously we've got speed, choke, blades on and off, safety handle. It won't let you do anything without this. And then these guys on the side are for steering, braking, everything. So basically you turn this, move this handle here, that dictates how fast it goes. You can only dictate that speed once pretty much. Once you've started moving, it's very difficult to adjust that. And then you basically just go. Once this thing starts, you are just holding on for dear life. It's like playing a huge game of Buckaroo. You know, I'm best part 20 stone, and this thing will throw me up and over one of those big buns with no problem whatsoever. So Kenny's here with the boost pack because this thing will start easy. So let's get this thing fired up. We've got it fired up. We'll leave this guy to warm up a bit. Come back in a minute. So that's the majority of the grass cut. We also have 2 other weapons in our arsenal. Can't quite see it very well, but back here we've got the big trusty, I'm not sure who makes it, like a petrol strimmer with, hold on. So yeah, we've got this big guy, and he, rather than having string, has a Ninja Blade of Doom, which is very, very, very blunt now. Definitely needs replaced. Kenny, get that blade replaced. So yeah, he is Kenny's responsibility. Kenny takes care of this guy, and he also takes care of, hopefully the wind's not too bad. So I have this guy here, which is basically like your flymo that you might have at home, except it's on steroids. It has a petrol powered Honda engine on it, 160 cc's, and Kenny basically plays a massive tug of war with himself. Wow, why is that so bright? Apologies for the brightness, but Kenny basically throws the flymo down this hill and then pulls it back up, throws it down, pulls it back up, throws it down, pulls it back up. He plays like a day-and-a-half long game of tug of war with himself. That's basically what we use to keep this place looking prim and proper for grass wise. So the next time you are heading out into your back garden in the summer to cut your grass and you think, oh, cannot be bothered doing this, just spare a thought for me and Kenny, or people who have even bigger lawns than these. Imagine that must suck. So VELOCIMOWER, the Radon, the big strimmer, and the Hurskver and a flymo is basically what we use in order to complete everything. So thanks for watching. If you have stuck around this long, congratulations, you will watch pretty much anything. Welcome to a day in the life of a drift track owner. If you like this, or you like any of our stuff, or you want us to do more, please do a share, subscribe, a like, all that sort of thing. Subscribe being the most important one of them, so you don't miss out. If you like what we're doing, hit the bell notification, or smash that bell notification, all that nonsense that the other YouTubers do. So for now, farewell, give us a share, see you next time.